so many negative comments about my little couch. But baby, what you gotta say now, huh? Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me.
Two hands to heaven, my whiskey high. I only got the bottle.
Hey, it's tanabrene, and we're back with another Making My House Into a Home video. So first I wanted to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for all the comments, for all the subscribes, for the shares, for everything. Just thank you for watching and staying tuned with my journey. It really means a lot to me and my girls, and it really pays off for me and my girls. So trust and believe, we're gonna be here with some more bangers, okay? We go keep this coming. But basically, you guys know my backstory, right? You guys know that I moved from St. Louis to Dallas. I was just kind of outgrowing where I was. I kind of felt stagnant, so I wanted something new, something fresh, something different, and I just went for it, right? So one day I was sitting in my bedroom when I was living in St. Louis, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna apply for public housing. And I did an application in 2023 of July, August, one of the months. They ended up emailing me back that I was picked in a random lottery for a 2-bedroom townhouse in July of 24. And I was moved in by August 9th of 2024. So I literally had moved in the next month. We came down, took a road trip to kind of come see the area, to kind of get a feel of it, to come and see it. And I was like, you know what? It's doable. You know what? It's in South Dallas, but honestly, I'm from STL, baby. It ain't, hey, we about that life. We really gets down where I'm from. So I'm a bathing head in St. Louis. So if I can survive North City bathing, baby, I can survive anywhere. Put me in, coach. Put me in. So, you know, but basically, yeah, I've been here for a year now, and I've been doing a series with Making My House Into a Home. And the first video that you guys saw, you saw me doing my portable washing machine, right? My washing machine had been out for 6 months. I didn't have a washing machine for 6 months. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna go on TikTok and I'm gonna just order me a portable washing machine. So I was washing my clothes with that portable washing machine for about maybe 2 months. I plugged it up in my kitchen and was washing clothes in the kitchen. As well, in that video, I was putting together my cheap little couch. Yeah, and I had so many positive comments about this couch, and I had so many negative comments about my little, cheap, tiny house couch. That's what some folks was calling it, tiny house furniture. And I'm like, does that make you feel better? Does it make you feel better? Because guess what? This little bitty tiny couch got me to almost 15K subscribers. This little bitty tiny couch has got me so many partnerships. This little bitty tiny couch has made me a decent amount of money on YouTube. This little bitty old tiny couch has got me a new couch, okay? Now we gotta level up. But yeah, but you guys know that I love green, so when I bought this couch, you know, this is what started tanabrene on YouTube. So this is what started my journey with me living in the projects and making my house into a home. You guys know that I love like budgeting with style, so that's what we did. So in my previous videos, you guys saw that I did the DIY end table. You guys saw that I did the Dollar Tree portrait wall with the Amazon puck lights. You guys saw me put my table together, DIY lamps. We did the DIY floating shelves. We did the stuff upstairs in my bedroom, which is still becoming. You guys saw me do the DIY, the remake of the $5,000 table that I did for under $150. So yeah, basically, this couch has got the ball rolling. So what you gotta say now? I can't hear you. What you say? Yeah, thought so. This video couch has got me a collaboration. Today we're gonna be partnering with Vesgantti. And we're gonna be doing a couch reveal. Super exciting, right? From Vesgantti, and you guys, I'm just proud. Because never in a million years did I think that I would be in this situation. You know, when I started making my house into a home, I was just doing something. You know, I started off doing content with just doing makeup videos and hair videos. And who would have ever known that we would take a whole 360 and be doing something totally different. But this, I have to say, does hit home the most. You know, I'm able to be myself. I'm able to show a little bit of vulnerability and, you know, really share my story and really showcase who I am as a person and just me just trying to start over. Because starting over isn't easy. It's not easy at all. You know, I left everything that I had and my comfort in St. Louis. I left my couches, my tables, my bedding furniture, my dressers. I left my studio I had downstairs with all of my equipment. I left a lot of stuff. You know, I just walked away from a house. So here I am in Dallas, Texas, starting all the way over, and we are growing. So in this video, we are going to be partnering with Vesgantti with the Cloud Flow Couch, guys. So let's give it a go and let's see what we get. So let's give it a go. Let's go ahead and unbox her, and I'm just going to take everything in. Certainly been a journey, but I wouldn't trade it. Here is a brochure of how the couch is supposed to look. Oh, so excited! Ooh. Great. Oh, I think it's a throne. blanket. We're gonna be unboxing the Vesgantti Modular Sectional Couch. It's like the cloud sofa. So here is a warranty on it. This is so freaking amazing. Like, thank you so much for collaborating with me, Vesgantti. You guys are changing lives around here. So how awesome is that? So we are officially going to be doing an unboxing of the Vesgantti Cloud Flow Modular Sectional Sofa. And I'm super excited because you guys saw what I had before. So just to be able to have a partnership and to be blessed with a new beautiful couch, it just really means the world to me. It really does. So I'm just really kind of taking this all in. But what makes this couch even better is that it literally fits the house aura. It fits my flow of my living room so well. And I'm like, oh my God, it's going to look so perfect in here. It's going to look good for the fall, for the summer, for the spring. Now, what's really amazing about this couch is it's zero assembly design. Because you guys know I'm always putting something together. So it finally feels good to not have to work so hard and put some things together. So yeah, the couch that I had down here originally, I'm going to go ahead and take that sucker upstairs and put it in my room. But this couch is ground hugging silhouette, a sleek, leg-free look that's definitely going to elevate my home aesthetic. And this couch also does come in about 6 variety of different colors and different textures. I have the chenille texture couch. The corduroy couch is awesome as well, but we were not able to get that one. It's supposed to take about 72 hours for it to fully fluff up. So we gotta give it a couple of days. It takes about 72 hours for it to fully blow up and to fully sit up sturdy. So hopefully within 3 days, we'll have some good results. It looks so good. real life couch. Wow. And there we have it. We have the Vesgantti Modular Sectional Cloud Flow Sofa. Amazeballs. I will be sure to leave the link to this couch in the description if you guys are interested. Now, as you can see, the throw blanket is humongous. She's super cozy. The blanket also will be shipped separately than the sofa, and you would need to contact Vesgantti with the order number in order to get your blanket shipped out to you. And thanks Vesgantti for the extra touch. And yeah, it's a beautiful couch. The fabric is like it's called a chenille fabric. I have the color beige. It's beautiful. And it's cozy. So it's going to take about 3 days for this couch to fully blow up and to see its full potential. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take the green couch upstairs and finish off that. But that will probably be in my next video. But until next time, thank you guys for watching my video and staying tuned with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know that some of you guys are going to be super excited that I got a new couch. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Just stay tuned with your girl, okay? Stay tuned with me. But yeah, this seems so surreal. I just can't wait till it fully fluffs up and it's really, you know, full and big. But even though we've made a huge upgrade from what we just had, I believe this couch runs about $600. You can find it on Amazon or you can purchase it directly from the website. But yeah, quite cool. But thanks for watching my video and I'll see you guys next time.